In this video, you'll learn how to view reports and add notes in your logbook. Your Libre app creates detailed reports from your sensor's glucose data. These reports can provide valuable insights. On your navigation bar, tap Insights. Tap Reports. You will see several reports listed. Let's look at Time in Ranges. It shows the percentage of time your sensor glucose readings were above, below, or within your target range. Use the standard target range of 70 to 180 milligrams per deciliter, or tap Custom to set your own. You can choose your own time frame. The more green you see, the better. Your other reports are average glucose, low glucose events, daily patterns, and GMI report. It shows a value based on the time frame you choose. Similar to A1C, it's your average glucose over time. You can easily share reports with your doctor so you can identify glucose trends and patterns together. Now we'll review how to add notes and see them in your logbook. Adding notes can help fill in details about your glucose, so you can keep making progress. Use them for food, exercise, and other notes. To add a note, tap the plus sign on your home screen. Then select the icon for the type of note you want to add, and enter your details. Tap Save. Follow the same steps for adding any note. You can also add a note by tapping Insights on your navigation bar, and then tapping the plus sign in your daily summary. You can see your notes in two places to review and edit them. One way to see your notes is on your home screen. Tap on the note icon to review or edit it. The other way to see your notes is on your logbook. Tap Insights on your navigation bar. Your daily summary has a list of the day's notes. Tap the note to view or edit. It's that easy. Now you're ready to customize your low and high glucose alarms.